Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I do with my bird. So first I have my I give my bird some freshing. So this is cabbage. I think it's called cabbage.
No.
What I don't whatever capsicum, and you cut a piece and you go boom boom with this thing, and also carrot. You're gonna hold it so then it can actually go. And you don't want the other side because the other side will just make it shorter. So you go like this, you scrape it so the bird, whatever bird you have, can have refreshing fruits for their tummy and digestive system so they can do their thingy. I think that's all.
Yeah.
So you just get the inside, so you put it in the sink. And this, you can get it at the pet store or somewhere else. We'll just put the carrot there, the knife there. You put it inside here. Oh, what? Smart enough to do this. Oh yeah, thanks. Oopsies. Okay. There's a vacuum so you can clean. So this is what it's meant to. Oh my goodness. Make sure you have a parent's help if you're a kid to and make sure before you do it you have someone guarding you. So this is what it's meant to look like. So let's give it
Mix.
For what?
Mix it. Oh, you do like the air.
So I have a parent help me, and you mix it, and yeah, put it up. And I'll go show you where I put. So we have this for the bird. We have broccoli, I think it's called. Broccoli for the bird, and we're gonna make sure he doesn't fly away. Sometimes this is hard to open. Ooh. And you make sure he eats it, and make sure it's closed so some crows don't get inside to the bird and they can eat it. So let's bring his bath. Well, this bird is weird enough. He never takes a bath. So if we put water all the time, he'll probably get used to it. So we want to make sure it's the right temperature, or then they're going to be very hot in there, because if they're outside, then it'll be a little too hot. So you want it temperature that you like it, but not too hot. This temperature is good. And you gotta be careful. Sometimes I spill this while I'm doing it sometimes, but oh, he's eating the broccoli. He's like, there must be someone coming. And He poopy.
Move.
What?
The water.
The water. Oh. I mean the water. Piolo. Oh, by the way, this is a canary, and we named it Piolo. Now we put it up and lock it and make sure it's all locked. And the seeds, can we change the seeds because he did number 2 on it. Oh, we have to, wait, don't we have to open this door? Piolo, do not come out or then I'm going to kill you. No, Piolo. And we have water for him. We have water for him, but I'm going to show you before. Can we empty it? So you have to make sure that he pooped in it. So you have to make sure there's no white bits. Can we change it?
Yeah, but this one is still a little bit there. So you.
Can we put it for the crows? Okay.
Venga, no. No.
We can put out right.
No.
So you put it in, well, in here, because he did something disgusting. Can we clean it?
The new one.
And
Venga, let me see. This is too dirty. Venga, a ver. Yeah, vaya, hay que lavarlo.
okay. Come and wash this because.
Venga, come.
Okay. Do I clean it with this or this?
Primero échale agua.
Okay, water.
Primero échale agua, primero agarra agua y hágale así con el dedito.
Ugh. It's like cat food.
Eso, hágale ahí con el dedito porque sí. Y ahorita coja el jabón y lávelo. Ahorita sí, échale jabón. No, mi amor.
Oh, bubble. Oh, it's bubbles. So, big one. Okay.
Un poquito, a ver.
Come on me. My way to clean it. You go like this. Because the birds need to be treated how we get treated. Or then he'll probably be sick because he gets dirty food. So clean it and wash it. And how that bubbles means that you washed it.
Ya le quitó el pedazo que tenía.
Yeah,
¿Pipí?
yeah.
Entonces ponga eso allá, mire. Quítale agua, quítale el agua para que le quite el jabón, mi amor. Eche más agua, ¿no tiene más jabón? ¿Ya? Entonces coja el este y séquelo, mi amor.
We gotta dry it because it's not.
No, mira. Espere, mira, ya está.
Okay. Now we gotta wash it. I think, wait. This is my first time having a bird, and I've got good when I first started.
Bueno, a ver, vaya a traer la comida ya.
Okay, now we're just gonna bring him his food. Come with me, everybody. He's eating his food. Yesterday when we would we gave him some broccoli, and he loved the broccoli so much he ate all the way to the stem. So, this is heavy. So this is it depends what kind of bird you have. We have a canary, so we put canary food. And sometimes they come with a spoon. Oopsies. And scoop it up so he has yummy food. Guys, I'm in the Christmas spirit today. I have a Christmas shirt on. Make sure it doesn't spill like I did.
Ay, se te regó. Hágale, hágale.
Okay.
¿Qué más ahí?
And
Ponga esto. Ponga
that's it.
la
We
spoon here.
the
No, la
food.
spoon. Póngala ahí. Cierre.
Okay. Now we put it back in here. And the canaries sing very beautiful when they mostly sing while they like get used to the place and when they're by themselves. Firstly, I'm gonna put this in first. Watch me walk, everybody. Oh, there you are. And that stick thing over there, you see that stick? That's protein for the birds. For canaries, because they love I like putting my tummy on the door so then they
No,
don't
ay, no, aquí abajo, aquí abajo. Están,
so they
eso,
don't
ahí.
come and fly out. So we're gonna make sure this is closed properly. Is that closed? Yeah. Make
Listo,
sure
¿ya?
it's closed. And I hope you guys. Oh, I was going to show you one more thing. So when I'm putting water for the birds, if they're not red, you can buy this one. You can buy this at the pet shop or online, and this one can make them red. So I hope you enjoy the video. And also, while you're putting the water, you have to make it really cold. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.